hate to confess, but baby, who you need me.
Hi guys, so today I'll be doing this Peachy makeup tutorial. It's super easy, super affordable as well because I am using just drugstore products. So let's just get started. I did prime my face using the Rose Water by Badescu, and now I'm applying some foundation. I'm also blending that out with this L.acolors beauty sponge. To conceal, I'm using the Covergirl Concealer, and I'm just applying this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. Not my forehead. I don't really like applying it on my forehead because I feel like I get really oily there. So I just apply it in the areas that you see me apply it. So to bake, I'm actually using something new. This one is the Rimmel London Mattifying Loose Powder, and I am obsessed with this. It goes on so nicely and it's just super smooth. I found mine at Walmart and it's only like $5, I believe, I'm not sure. But I never really seen it at Ulta, so make sure to check Walmart if you guys are interested in trying this powder, or if you guys are just curious of how it works, you know. So I wanted to try something different. You know, I always use the Physicians Formula bronzer, but this time I wanted to use something different, like I said. So I went ahead and used the L.acolors bronzer, and oh my god, I was pretty shocked of how good it worked. The only thing it does have is like a little bit of fallout, but that's not really a problem for me because, you know, that doesn't really matter. But I did really like this bronzer. So I completely forgot to show you guys the blush I was using, but it's by L.acolors as well. But for highlighter, I'm using my Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm just applying this with this Morphe brush. I'm not sure what it's called, I still don't remember it, but I'll link it down below. Moving on to the eyes, I'm doing something very simple. So I'm just using the bronzer I use as an eyeshadow, and I'm just applying this on the crease. And the brush I'm using to apply this is the Morphe Y19. I'm cutting my crease using the L.A. Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Every time I cut the crease, I have to go in with a flat brush to make sure everything is smooth and it's ready to set. For the eyelid color, I'm using the blush I used as an eyeshadow as well, and I'm just applying this all over the entire eyelid. I know it does look a little bit pink right here, but it's actually more like a peachy coral eyeshadow. And then I'm going back with a little bit more of that brown bronzer, and I'm just applying that on the outer corner of my eye. The only thing I didn't have from the drugstore was eyelashes, so I'm just popping these eyelashes on. These are the Koko lashes in the style Queen Bee. I'm applying some of that highlighter on the inner corners of my eye as well as on the brow bone. I'm almost finished. I'm just applying some mascara to my eyelashes. They're slowly growing, so I'm very happy about that. But for lipstick, I did apply this lipstick called Peachy Teddy by Glam Pro Forever Makeup. And on top of that, I'm applying this lip gloss by L.acolors, and it's called Popsicle Dream. I'm quickly retouching my highlights, but I'm also setting my face with the Badescu Rose Water. Once that is done, this look is all complete. I really hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video.